Hey, welcome to Geekamag, and today we're going to talk about the Wi-Fi can't connect to this network error on Windows 11 and how you can fix it. The error generally pops up when the system is unable to connect to a certain wireless network due to various issues related to network drivers and adapters, system conflicts, and user settings. So to help with this annoying issue, we created a comprehensive list of troubleshooting steps that should work for both Windows 11 and 10 PCs. First of all, let's ensure that our Wi-Fi network is working properly by connecting using a different device. If the other device fails to connect to the network, this means that your Wi-Fi is at fault. If the other device connects without any issues, then you can move ahead with the further steps. Make sure that airplane mode is disabled. Now, like mobile devices, the airplane mode on Windows PC also blocks off all Wi-Fi connections. You can disable it by clicking on the Quick Settings panel in the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the option for airplane mode and make sure that it's toggled off. Rebooting your PC and your router or modem can easily get rid of common bugs and issues. So as a quick troubleshooting step, it is recommended that you restart both the devices and check if the issue gets resolved. If you're having trouble when connecting to Wi-Fi, then you can forget that particular network and reconnect on your Windows PC. This clears all the previously saved data about the network and allows you to have a fresh start by re-entering the SSID and password. For that, go to Settings and find Network and Internet in the left side panel. Select Wi-Fi and then go to Manage Known Networks. Here, you can forget your previously added Wi-Fi networks. Once the problematic network has been forgotten, you can go back to the Quick Settings panel on the bottom left corner, expand the Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to the network. There could also be a problem with your system's network driver. To fix such problems, you can try updating, uninstalling, or rolling back your network driver. Now to update the driver, go to the Windows Start icon and right-click on it. In the pop-up menu, click on Device Manager. Under Network Adapters, look for Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and click Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers, and this will allow Windows to automatically search and install the latest available driver for your Wi-Fi adapter. If it shows that you already have the latest drivers, you can try manually downloading them from the manufacturer's official website. You can also try other driver updater software to do that job for you. You can check out our detailed guide about updating drivers on Windows 11 and 10 PCs. If updating the driver doesn't work, try uninstalling the network driver. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter in the Device Manager, then click Uninstall Driver and click Uninstall. Now restart your PC and it should automatically install the latest available drivers. If the problem was caused after a recent driver update, rolling back the driver can actually help fix the problem. Right-click on the network driver, click on Properties and then go to the Driver tab. Now select the Rollback Driver option. Click OK to save the changes. But before we go further, we are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing so we can continue making content like this. Updating your Windows PC is also a good option. Windows consistently gets updates that include various improvements and bug fixes. Updating your system to the latest version can help it run better. Also, run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Windows 11 has a built-in troubleshooting tool for various system functions. You can use the tool to identify and repair problems with your PC. Go to Settings and find the Troubleshoot option in the System Settings tab. Scroll down and select Other Troubleshooters. Look for the Network and Internet Troubleshooter and click Run. Now wait for the troubleshooter to complete the scan. If a problem is identified, perform the steps recommended by the PC to fix issues with your Wi-Fi adapter. Disabling or removing a VPN connection from your PC can also help fix the issue. Go to Settings and select the Network and Internet tab on the left side panel. Click on VPN and remove all the previously added VPNs. To remove a particular VPN, click on the down arrow beside the network and press the Remove button. Resetting your network settings can bring things back to the default state. For that, go to Settings and click on the Network and Internet tab. Scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Now under More Settings, click on the Network Reset option. Then press the Reset Now button. This will restart your PC. You can also follow our detailed guide about the various ways you can reset network settings on Windows 11. Let's also try disabling and re-enabling the Wi-Fi network adapter. Go to Settings and select the Network and Internet tab. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Under the Network Adapter section, disable your Wi-Fi adapter. Wait for a minute and enable the adapter once again. Reboot your system and try connecting to your preferred Wi-Fi connection. Disabling IPv6 can also be a potential solution. IPv6 is basically the successor to IPv4, and this protocol offers better internet speeds and more efficient routing. However, it may cause some incompatibilities with the system. To disable it, go to Settings and click on the Network and Internet tab on the left side panel. Open Advanced Network Settings and scroll down to the Related Settings section. Click More Network Adapter options and this will open up the control panel for advanced controls. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Now in this area, disable Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6. Now click OK to apply the changes. While using an Ethernet cable is not a permanent solution to the Wi-Fi problem, it can help you access the internet and perform some important tasks until the main issue is resolved. If none of these methods have worked so far, we are limited to only a few more advanced steps. In situations like these, it is recommended that you try an in-place upgrade in Windows 11. If that doesn't work, try resetting your PC to factory settings. You can do that without losing your personal data. For that, you can check out our detailed guide to reset Windows 11 to factory settings. The link for it is in the description. You can also try a clean installation of Windows. Make sure you back up your data before doing so. We hope that we were able to help you fix the issue. If we were, then please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.